Next is modeling inequalities, which is very much like modeling equations, except you use these symbols. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it because we all know how to model equations. So we have 4 is greater than m plus x. So I'm going to do my 4 ones. I'm going to use the greater than sign this time. And m is still going to be my long rectangle like x usually is. And we have 5 ones here. Okay, if we want to solve this, we have to zero pair all our ones out on the side of our variable, which is m in this case. So we would add 5 negatives, which would zero pair all of those out. So all we're left with is the 1x. And then we have to add 5 negatives to this side. So we zero pair those and those. And those two, and I have one more negative. So negative 1 is greater than m. Okay. Then we look at the next one. 7h is greater than or equal to 7. So I have 7 rectangles, which are all h because that's my variable. Seven greater than or equal to, and then I'm going to distribute my 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means 1 h, put an h in these, is greater than or equal to positive 1. Okay, that's it. It's the only major difference is that you use the symbol instead of drawing a line or any other thing to show the